Walang direktang sagot ang Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa tanong kung sapat ba ang kanyang nagawa para harapin ang isyu tungkol sa korupsyon at flood control scandal sa bansa sa loob ng mahigit isang taon. Ibabalita po yan ni Hartad Molina. Hartad?
Mahigit isang taon matapos ipangako ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na tututukan ang flood control scandal at ang malalim na problema ng korupsyon, hiningan siya ng direktang sagot. Sapat na ba ang kanyang nagawa sa mahigit 12 buwan at ano ang mga konkretong sistema na dapat makita ng mga Pilipino bago matapos ang kanyang termino?
About a year ago, you pledged to tackle a flood control scandal that has shown a very, very harsh spotlight on the Philippines' issues with endemic corruption. Do you believe you've personally done enough to confront that issue in the 12 and a half months since that speech? And what concrete, measurable systems do you think Filipinos can expect to be in place before the end of your term that tackle those issues?
Pero sa halip na direktang isa-isahin ang mga sistemang hinihingi, ganito ang sagot ni PBBM.
Are already in place. Many of those measures are already in place in terms of the transparency that we have.
Mula sa konkretong sistema, tumungo ang sagot sa mga kasong naihain, mga nakulong at mga patuloy na investigasyon.
Well, first of all, let's say those in terms of accountability. Let's take that first. Because that has gained the most interest amongst the public. In that, cases have been filed. People have already been put behind bars. There are continuing investigations into those who are going to be held accountable, who have to be held accountable for any wrongdoing in terms of corruption, in terms of the flood control scandal. So that is ongoing, and I would not be surprised if that continues to go, that those investigations and this kind of self-examination in terms of the government continues to go beyond my term, beyond 2028.
At muling binanggit ng Pangulo ang pagbabago sa sistema at paraan ng pagtatrabaho sa loob ng gobyerno.
The reason that I exposed all of this in the SONA before last was simple, because I was shocked by what was going on, and I said we have to. It is so endemic and it is so deeply rooted that you have to do something fairly radical to change the. It's not, paradigm shift is actually even a bit of a weak term for it. You have to change the culture, change the thinking of the way people view their positions in government, and that is what we are trying to do.
Pero sa tanong kung sapat na ba ang nagawa at ano ang mga konkretong sistemang dapat makita bago matapos ang kanyang termino, hindi na isa-isa ang mga tiyak na hakbang o resultang tinatanong. Hartad Molina para sa 100% Balita.